demonstrate on how to clean, care, store different kinds of tools, equipment, and paraphernalia used in caregiving. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. How to properly clean, care, and store a microwave oven. First step is to get a bowl, mix 1/2 cup of water and 1/2 cup of vinegar. Then mix it. The mixture of water and vinegar will aid in removing dirt and foul odors from inside of the oven. Next step is to plug in the microwave oven. Third step is to put your mixture inside the oven. Then cook on high for about 2 minutes. Fourth step is to wait until the allotted time is done. Fifth step is to remove the bowl from the oven. Be careful because the steam will be coming out. Also, the bowl will be most likely very hot. Sixth step is to remove the splattered grease and food inside the oven using a sponge. Seventh step is to wipe the outside of the oven with water and mild detergent. Eighth step is to wipe the oven with a dry and clean cloth. And now, this is our finished product. How to properly clean, care, and store a blender. First step is to clean the funnel and the blender lid. Second step is to put about 3/4 cup of hot water and 1/2 cup of vinegar. You might also want to add a tablespoon of baking soda to remove the odor and stains. Third step is to turn on the blender and let it run for about 20 seconds. Fourth step is to clean the blender jar and rinse well with water. Then use a clean towel to dry them. Fifth step is to put all the parts back together. And now, this is our finished product. How to properly clean, care, and store a coffee maker. First step is to make a mixture of vinegar and water. Then pour the mixture in the reservoir of coffee maker. Second step is to turn on the coffee maker and let the vinegar-water mixture cycle through. Third step is to turn off the coffee maker and let the pot cool for 15 to 20 minutes. Fourth and fifth step is to pour the solution into the sink, then rinse the pot. Sixth step is to put the cold water into the reservoir. Doing this will wash away the vinegar-water solution out of the coffee maker. Seventh step, turn on the coffee maker and let the cold water mixture cycle through. Eighth step, pour the cold water into the sink and rinse the pot. Ninth step is to plug off the coffee maker. And now, this is our finished product. How to properly clean, care, and store food tongs. First step, wash the food tongs as soon as you're finished using it to prevent food particles from sticking to it. Second step, wipe it dry with a clean cloth. Third step, store your food tongs in a clean place. And this is our final product. How to properly clean, care, and store a thermometer. First step, take out the thermometer from its holder. Second step, clean the tip of the thermometer using an alcohol. Third step, put the thermometer back from its holder. And now, this is our finished product. That's all for today, and remember to always clean, care, and store your tools, equipment, and paraphernalia properly to avoid spreading of germs and viruses. And for your own health too. Because a clean place is a safe place. I hope you learned something new from me. And see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!